Hey everyone, in this video we're going to talk about DistroKid's Hyperfollow pages and how you can use them to boost your music marketing and get more Spotify pre-saves for your upcoming release. So what is Hyperfollow and why is it so useful? Hyperfollow is a free promotional tool provided by DistroKid that helps you to market your music to your fans. And creating a Hyperfollow page is a great way to build a landing page for your upcoming release. It centralizes all of your promotional content, allowing fans to pre-save your music on Spotify, check out your music on multiple streaming platforms, and access your social media links all in one convenient location. This not only builds anticipation, but it also allows for a more personalized experience for your audience to help you maximize your engagement and reach. This is because DistroKid's Hyperfollow page allows you to send a single link to your audience where they can choose their preferred streaming service to listen to your music. This works much better than just sharing a Spotify link, which may not be accessible or provide the best experience for fans without a Spotify membership. By using Hyperfollow, your fans have the freedom to pick the streaming service that they're subscribed to, ensuring a more seamless and personalized listening experience. With Hyperfollow, you can turn casual listeners into dedicated fans and boost the impact of your release. Now that we've covered what Hyperfollow is and why it's such a valuable tool to promote your music, let's check out the step-by-step process of creating your own Hyperfollow page for your next release. After uploading your project, go to the My Music tab and click on your latest project. Then scroll down to find the pre-made Hyperfollow link. You can also access all your Hyperfollow pages from your DistroKid homepage by clicking on the menu in the upper right, followed by Promote Yourself, and finally, click on the Hyperfollow tab. Here, you can begin to customize your Hyperfollow page. You can add your name, location, and a short bio about the project, as well as social media links, promotional YouTube videos, audio sneak peeks, and other content to make your page more engaging. After viewing your Hyperfollow page, you can click Customize on the top right to edit it further or view another page. And once your Hyperfollow page is all set up, it's time to share it. Post a link on your social media pages, include it in your bio or email newsletters, and send it to your friends and family. Obviously, the more people that you can reach, the better. If you're not already using DistroKid, now is the perfect time to sign up. You can use the link in the description to get a discount off your first year's subscription and start taking advantage of all the amazing tools that they offer. Plus, if you're a student or teacher, there's a separate educational link that gives you an even larger discount. And remember, if you need mixing or mastering services for your next release, don't hesitate to reach out to me at backburnerstudios.ca. I'd love to help you take your music to the next level. So I hope this video helped you out. Leave a like if it did, and consider subscribing for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
I need some patience to just be, have some patience.